Hello everybody, I'm going to do a quick install of the 813 tailgate MOLLE panel. Now I've already removed the stock hex nuts that are in the bed itself holding this little panel on. So essentially what happens is we just completely replace those with some spacers and some new stainless steel hardware to hold on the MOLLE panel, and that's it. It's a real simple install, probably takes 10 minutes at most. But essentially you get 1-inch spacers that come. These are polyurethane spacers. You just want to set those in place of where the screw holes are on all the different screws that come with it. Take your MOLLE panel, line it up on top of those spacers. Everything's slotted, so it gives you a little bit of flexibility on how you put it in there, so it's not very hard to get set up. Everything does come with long stainless steel screws, all stainless steel washers. Get those started by hand. Heck, I don't even know if you need the instructions that come with it for this. It's so easy. Now everything on the panel it's 1/8 inch aluminum. I did it in aluminum. Most of them, pretty much all of them, come raw. I've done a lot of powder coating over the years. Powder coating is great for a lot of stuff. Powder coating is not going to be very good if you're dragging a lot of stuff over top of this panel, because in my opinion powder coating is going to fail. Now I have done a few that have been Raptor lined to match with the bed lining on the truck. Most of the ones I sell are going to be raw. That way, if you're going to get your bed done and get your bed sprayed, have them do this while they're doing it. I personally actually like the raw aluminum. I like the way it looks. Now I'm going to use a drill. I'm going to keep my torque setting very low, because you don't want to put these down with a drill other than just to help you get past these really long screws. Do the rest of the way by hand. Those factory inserts that are in the tailgate, I don't know how much I would trust putting a ton of torque on them, so it's best to do it by hand. Pretty much it. That finishes it. Now I personally, since I do a lot of biking, I've just got some small MOLLE bags that I use on mine. I set all mine up, get them strapped down. Sometimes I even have my helmet strapped to this. That way, again, when I go biking, I got my air compressor, I got all my tools, I got all my nutrition. All my other stuff is right here, my sunglasses. Now I do have a few customers that have bought this and they've sent me some pictures. They mount fire extinguishers. I've got one guy that's actually mounting on some max tracks to this. That way it's just inside the tailgate versus putting it up on a bike rack and stuff, or on a truck rack. It's all slotted, so it does have areas to screw different things in. I do have some accessory hooks that work in either the trail rail system, or you can bolt them down to the MOLLE panel if you want to put any kind of hoses and stuff like that hanging on it. But again, very simple install. 1/8 inch aluminum. It's pretty strong. I've had a few people ask just how strong is it. I'm 220 pounds. I can sit on it real easy. I can even stand on it. It's nice and strong. If you need to get in here, you're still going to be able to use your tailgate how you need it, but you're going to have your MOLLE panel here to go along with some of the other MOLLE panels you might have in the back of the truck. So take a look at it. It's 813fabrication.com. If you have any questions, shoot me an email, let me know. I'm on Facebook too, 813 Fabrication and Design. Just let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.